Episode 3, Cajun Shrimp and Chorizo Paella. Hello, let's get started with cutting our peppers and chorizo. And apologies for the camera angle, this is before I got the new mount from my phone and the angles didn't cooperate very much. You'll see, don't worry. Heat up some oil in a pan. Toss in your chorizo and peppers. And no, I won't say chorizo, I feel like a dick, so I'm gonna say chorizo. Sorry. Once they start to get all cooked and browned and delicious, add 1.5 cups of rice, 2 minced cloves of garlic, add 2 heaping tablespoons of chicken concentrate, paprika, cayenne pepper, pink Himalayan sea salt, and fresh black pepper. Mix everything. And you want to coat the rice in all that chorizo-y, peppery goodness. Add 6 cups of water to the rice pepper chorizo mixture. Give it a good stir. Then bring it to a boil. Make sure to stir frequently. And now grab those shrimp that you spent the last 40 minutes peeling and deveining off camera so you can get the super exciting shot of liquid going from cold to almost bubbling. Worth it. Grab your shrimp and then dry them out as much as possible. Like really get in there with the paper towels. Dry, dry, dry. And because you're recording, take the time to spread them out and make them happy. Cool. And then wash your hands for the 14th time. And then hit them little shrimpies with salt, pepper, paprika, cayenne. Really go to town with the Cajun seasoning. Now, make your topping. This garlicky, peppery sauce that'll bring everything home and also cool the spice down for all you non-spicy kids out there. For the sauce, combine and as much garlic as you want. 1/2 cup mayonnaise. I like about 1.5 cloves. Lots of pepper, onion powder, and trust me, it's delicious. Make sure you check in with your paella. Give it a stir. And now you want to stop when the liquid is gone, the rice is cooked, but not mushy. If it's mushy, you have to throw it out and start all over again. Now, put that aside. Get some oil in a pan, get it super hot, start adding the shrimp. But make it quick. You have just enough time to get them down, season the top of them, before you have to flip them. And I even took them off the heat because I was flipping too slow. It happens. And nobody wants rubber shrimps. Rubber duckies, yes. Rubber shrimps, no. After you flip, cook another minute, then get them off the heat. And now you're ready to plate. Make a base of paella, top with your non-rubbery shrimp, and finish with any letter of aioli you want. I went with a Z for fun. Sorry. I really enjoy this. It's super simple and super easy lunch option. I actually had it in HelloFresh a while ago, and I've been making it ever since. It's delicious. Make this. Thank you for watching, everyone, and I will see you next Friday.